When people talk about economic growth in small towns, they usually think about factories or retail. But in Demopolis, Alabama, the biggest investment in the future is healthcare. At the center of that investment is Whitfield Regional Hospital, a long-standing anchor for this region. For generations, Whitfield has provided critical care close to home, from emergency services to surgery, rehabilitation, and specialty clinics. But it's more than a hospital. It's one of the largest employers in the area, supporting hundreds of jobs and generating millions in regional economic impact. In rural communities, hospitals just don't save lives. They help sustain local economies. And now, just minutes away, something new is rising. The Alabama School of Healthcare Sciences is currently under construction, a first-of-its-kind public residential high school focused entirely on preparing students for careers in healthcare. This isn't just a school, it's a workforce pipeline. Students from across Alabama will come here to train for careers in nursing, medicine, and allied health fields, helping address the growing shortage of healthcare professionals, especially in rural communities. Think about what that means. An established hospital providing care today, a new school preparing for the professionals of tomorrow. Together they represent stability, opportunity, and long-term investment. In many towns, the question is, what's next? Here in Demopolis, the answer is clear. Healthcare is driving the future.